sentadito en esa silla. ¿Qué fue lo que
Oh my god. Yo. Yo. What's good, everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today we'll be reacting to a brand new release by Yailin La Mas Viral. Now this video was released like about 13 hours ago, and I'm just getting a chance to check out this video. I saw a comment right on a old video. Then the person comment Silla. So I was like, what? New video has been dropped and I haven't upon this as yet? Bro, that's crazy. That's crazy. My crush, my musical icon in Dominica, and I haven't upon it as yet? Bro, that's crazy. That's crazy because just over a month ago, she has gave us a track, right? A music video. And from that day, I never get anything else from her. So I lost all sense of updates on her until eventually someone commented. Oh, until this very moment, I wouldn't know. But thank you so much, my friend. So let's dive in. Peace. Honest, guys. Right now, I'm having so much obsession with this woman because her style is different. Her uniqueness, her dressing, her voice, the level of how she puts her happiness in the music, it led me to always want to come back and to listen because the rhythms, bro, is vibes, bro. The rhythms give you a lot of vibes, bro. You have to dance, man. Her, bro. She's so good. She's a role model for me. She's a mentor because I do look up to her because of her music, the way how she carries herself, the way how she looks, the way how she dresses. I mean, like her style, bro. It's 1 in a billion, man. Like, look how gorgeous she is right here, bro. She's just too gorgeous, man. Damn, bro. Damn, bro. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so I see some money in the back. So I guess she's representing money. Silla. Okay. Okay. The vibe, yo. Question. Who is this woman really, bro? I mean, like, I know she's a Dominican. Shout out to all the Dominican men, but bro, the reason why I'm captivating to her style so much, it's because of how she wrote her music, right? Her music is literally catchy. Even though it's not in English, but bro, I'm understanding this so much. It is giving me the chills. Yo, damn. My Dominican crush, bro. She's my Dominican crush. Bro, to be honest, someday I would love to visit Dominica just to see Miss Lamas Viral. Just to see her, bro. Like, yo! Dog, I do that. I'm not sure, but right now, myself here, I'm having this insane crush. Like, every time I see her, I'm blushing, bro. Like, she's my musical crush, dog. Damn, she's gorgeous, bro. Look at her, man. Just look at her. Her dress code is dope.
muévelo? Que se empegota, te sacaste el loto con esta mamazota. Mientras tenga vida, tú no eres fiel a otra porque tú estás como su cuenta rota. Maldito de peluñi.
Yo! Yo, this is so fun to watch, bro. So fun to watch, so fun to listen, and so much fun to be looking at my icon, bro. Like, damn, bro. Not just my icon, but she's my crush, bro. Yo, damn, bro. Let's A snack, man. Definitely a snack. Bro, I followed her on Instagram, right? And I always keep up the updates, bro. Like, but as I stated earlier in my introduction, I never get to check back her social media to see what is going on with her. And here I am again, watching her, looking at her music, listening to her music, bro. She's a superstar for me. She's my superstar, bro. She's my superstar, bro. Superstar role she's playing here, bro. I love to see this, right? When she sticks out her tongue, right, and she bend forward and her back is facing that way. That's also dope. That's also dope. That's just showing some bars, bro. I mean, like the back, it is so round. Damn. Damn. Okay. Okay. I am getting insane right now to look at her, bro. Like, damn. Quite a fascination, bro. Please do not mess yourself because why are you there dancing on another nigga while I'm here in Jamaica looking at you? You're gonna get me upset. You're gonna get me so upset, Yailin. Like, oh my god. Guys, her face with the makeup, bro, is so neat. Hey, look at her eyes, man. Her eyes is so cute. Hey, she's giving me the stares, bro. Like, she's looking deep in my soul, bro. Like, dog. But I say, bro, her hips while dancing, she's sitting on the bed. She's broad as daylight. Like, she's so thick. Oh my god. Y'all in, please. Don't let me get irritated here. Why are you massaging that guy? Come on. Come on, Yailin. Come on. We're not gonna do this, right? Please don't tell me we're gonna do this today. I'm not cut out for this type of thing. So why are you do damn, bro, but regardless, I'm loving this woman music so much. I'm loving her as well. God. Yo, yo, bro, look at this woman. Look at my icon, bro, from Dominica. Bro, she's so thick and good. Dog, I mean, like, yo, I'm watching because I love to see what she's doing, bro. Not because of how she looks, but because of her works. And based on her works, some little sideman in that work, we have to watch them killing because, guys, look, the workers must be watching this woman, bro. And I have to watch them killing because she's my woman now. I'm claiming her as my woman, bro. Like, damn, bro, she's a musical genius. unique, singular, and different. Way too different from the pack. She's leading the pack, bro. She's a queen in her deck and in my deck as well. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Yailin, that was really good. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like. Stay tuned for more Yailin Masterfile reaction. And thank you so much for your suggestion. I didn't know that she released a different music video, so I'm grateful. So stay tuned for more. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.